Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be a clean with me my entire kitchen. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never.
So this morning, my 3-year-old toddler spilled apple juice all over the counter, and it dripped down onto the cabinet and all on the floor. So it was just a sticky mess, and I had to clean this area of the cabinet.
Take you like a
So I use this spray mop. I'm not a fan of this mop, but it works. And it gave me such a hard time just to take that little portion, that little bottle section out. It was such a pain.
Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So this cabinet right here that houses all my kids' lunch container is such a pain in the hoo-ha. It's always cluttered, and it'd be nice if it was, you know, pull out where I could access every single container and stuff like that, but the children just toss everything in there no matter how much I organize and try to keep everything, you know, just neat. It just never ends that way, and I don't know what to do. I just feel like tossing everything.
Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So if you are new here, please comment down below your name and where you're from. That way we can get to know each other a little bit better. And also, what is one area of your home that you enjoy cleaning, and which day of the week do you enjoy cleaning on? For me, it is Monday because it's the beginning of the week and I feel like I get a little bit more done and it prepares me for the rest of the week.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, oh
So we are at the end of this cleaning video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me this evening. If there's any more other videos you guys would like to see from me in terms of cleaning, please comment down below and let me know. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys. These are the folks that make messes for me to clean. Look at their darling faces.
Look at that.
Bye guys.